need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Got another eBay pickup. This is the Jordan 10 City Pack Chicago flag. Again, I don't like when they put these in bags. Pretty much, if you don't know what I'm doing, I collect shoes off of eBay and I restore them and I wear them. But again, this is the Chicago flag. He did he did throw some extra laces in it. It's cool. I'm gonna put the original laces back in it. You know me. But so far, it's solid. Everything's there, other than the tag is in it, and that's what I be looking for. It definitely did not have these in it, but that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out because the next thing I'm gonna be doing is doing some cleanings, and I'm gonna show you how I clean these shoes and start the prep work. So let me get you in close and let you see what we got going on. First and foremost, right there we got the little snag, no problem. We got a scuff on the front part there. That's no problem with me either. I'm actually surprised at how well this one has held itself together due to the condition that it's in. And it's pretty damn good. What can be applied to fix certain things, I'm going to apply it to it. And I think we're going to have us an A1 City Pack 10. Here's the other one. Now this one, they both kind of, they both showing that they got this glue type damage, but this one has more glue damage than the other one. It's not bad. I can put it back. But all in all, this is gonna be a good purchase. I wish the other shoe that got this snag had a snag like this one, because it's not completely off. You can just paint over it and it'll look good again. But I'm noticing it's got the glue damage that I'm telling you about. But as far as the polyurethane on the side, it feels pretty damn good. Like it'll hold up for me. So what I'm gonna do is, if push comes to shove and I need to re-dye the blue, the light blue on it, I will, because I got some dye I can make and do that. It's just if I need to. If I don't need to, I won't do it. But I think I'm gonna get it pretty clean where I don't have to do it. So again, this is your Jordan 10 City Pack Chicago flag. Okay, it's not bad. It's just a little dry, but we'll get it together. Might have to do a sole brightening on it or something. I'm anticipating that certain things might loosen up on it some more, and that's fine, because again, I got the glue to take it and put it back together. Because this is kind of, it looks like it's been out in the weather or something. And I can, or in the trunk, or something like that. But I can get them back together. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Stay tuned for more. One, live, learn, love, and grow.
Just need to exhale.